Hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel 369 for February month prediction. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is the levels that we can expect in February month and the few stocks that is good to invest during budget time, and also we are going to discuss about the weekly levels for 31st Jan till 4th. So let's look at the Nifty chart, how it's going to react. So before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose, so if you're trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let me change my screen to Nifty chart. Okay. So hope you guys are able to see my Nifty chart. So last week it was at this level, so 17,500, that was in support. It could not hold this 17,500. From there we saw a good fall. Okay, and I was expecting it will be holding at this level, and it did not, and again it reached this trend line support 16,850 levels. So that was support which is holding now. So if it again bounce back from that level, then we can easily expect Nifty can move further till 17,300. In February month, we can expect it can bounce back, touch this 17,900 levels. So this is what I'm expecting in February month. Okay, so once it hit this, bounce back, break this 17,800, there is high possibility it can touch this 17,900, 18,000 levels. So this week there will be more volatility, so you guys should be very careful while putting stop loss. The stop loss will be, you need to put the more stop loss if you take Nifty or Bank Nifty. So on Friday I was seeing in 5 minutes the Bank Nifty was moving 150 points volatility. Okay, so even Nifty will be moving in 30-40 points volatility. A complete week will be the same way, the volatility will be high. So be careful guys while trading options and futures. Okay, so this is the level which I'm expecting on the higher side, and if it doesn't hold this 16,800 levels, right, and this is the low which I'm expecting. I mean, the worst case, if budget is not so good, then we can expect 16,400 levels, but still I'm expecting positive. Let's see how it's going to react. So but you note down all these levels, we can expect 1,000 points volatility in Nifty for this February month. So from 17,000 easily we can expect 18,000, else 16,400 levels. So that's about the Nifty. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay. So you can see here, Nifty, Bank Nifty is trying to break this trend line. So that was his second time, which made at 28th of January at 38,400 levels. Okay, that's a very strong resistance. Once it break, right, then there is no one can stop Bank Nifty. Okay, so what I'm expecting is once it break this trend line 38,400 levels, right, then easily we can expect 40,000 levels on the next resistance. So that is the level which I am expecting minimum in Bank Nifty, 40,000 if it break this trend line. And lower side I'm not expecting more than 36,700. This is the low which I'm expecting. Let me delete this. Okay, this is the low which I'm expecting, 36,500. It should not break this 36,500 levels on for February month. Okay, so that's the low. And in this week, there will be more volatility, and banks are showing positive. So we can expect, especially POC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Axis Bank. All these banks will be rocking for this budget. So let's see. That is what I am expecting, but you need to watch the levels and trade carefully. So this is the levels, 40,000 minimum, and if it break this, we can expect 41,000 levels. The next resistance is this. Okay. So that's about the bank nifty. So I have Manju also with me. So hi Manju.
Hi all, hi Hemant.
Yeah. So let me change my screen to OI data so that let's check what's Manju view on Nifty. So what is your view on Nifty, Manju? Looking at this OI data as well.
Nifty. Yeah, because since we have budget, right?
Yeah.
So we can expect more volatility.
Mm.
So considering option chain data for full monthly, right? Monthly option chain,
Mm-hmm.
I'm expecting at least 17,500.
Mm.
Once if it sustains above that level, right? You can see 18,000 also in February month.
Okay.
Volatility is huge actually.
Yeah, even I am expecting the same. So the
Yeah.
volatility will be
On
more.
the Yeah, on the support side, 16,500 is a strong support. Even on the chart, right, you can expect, I mean, if you observe 16,000 somewhere, 16,400 is a strong support.
Yeah, well, let me change it. Let me change the
So,
screen to Nifty. Yeah, okay.
and open is also almost showing the same level.
Yeah,
So we can consider 16,500 to 400 as strong, one of the strong support. If that breaks, right, then you can expect 16K also.
that breaks. You can expect
Yeah.
16K. This
If
this is
16,
what you are
yes.
expecting. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Going to Bank Nifty. So let me open the OI data. So coming to Bank Nifty OI data, so the OI data says,
Showing the same level.
yeah, we are on to the Bank Nifty OI data, Manju.
Okay, yeah. So even bank nifty rate considering the nifty bank nifty is highly volatile. Okay, so I'm expecting minimum 39K, the first target
Yeah,
on the upper side. So if it sustains that level, right, then 39,500
yeah,
and strong resistance would be somewhere near 41K.
41K. Okay, good.
Yeah. So that will be huge volatile actually. So we can expect easily 39 and 39,500 arams.
Aram se. Okay. So that
Yeah.
is what
And
even
then,
the chart also says. Let me change my screen to Bank Nifty chart. Okay. You can
yeah.
see here. So even the chart also showing the same. Once it break this 38,500. Okay. So I was just drawing this level. So this is what control V. So it looks as per technical. This is what we can expect, right, Manju?
Yeah. And on the support, right, 36K would act as a strong, very strong support.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Intermediate support would be somewhere near 37,000. If
Okay.
that breaks out, you can expect 36. 36, I think it will act as a strong support. I am not expecting below that. But if it breaks that level, then you can expect 35K on the
Okay.
lower side.
So this trend line lower side. Okay.
Yeah.
So
That's on bank Nifty.
thanks, Manju, for your input on Nifty. So there were a couple of stocks you need to watch for the budget, guys. So especially on the Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, and POC Bank, especially the SBI Bank and all those banks that are going to be more volatility. and there are few plans from the government as well. So I'm expecting once the SBI break this for 540 levels, right? It can move further upside. That is what I'm expecting. You need to watch the level, the support. You can expect 516 if you are an investor. Okay, if it break, then it is negative, and if it break this resistance 540, then it's a good on good movement we can see in HD SBI Bank. Okay, and fertilizer stocks also we can watch like Deepak Nitrator fertilizer stocks also we can watch. That is what I'm expecting on for budget. So let's look at the stock for the coming week. Okay, so let me change my screen to the PPT. Okay, hope you guys are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, Hemant, we are able to see the chart.
Chart is fine, but I'm looking for a PPT. Yeah. So now for the coming week TCS, you need to watch the level at 3,710. So once it break this 710, right? We can draw a trend line here. You can see here. You can draw a trend line. Once it break this trend line, right? Then further upside, we can see there is a chance it can fill this gap as well. This is a gap at 3,740 60 levels. So you need to watch once it break 3,710 on TCS. Next is Hero Motors is hanging at this 2660. That's in support here. If it fails to hold this right, then again we can see further downside 2600, and there is a chance it can fill this gap. Okay, 2580 levels. Okay. Next is Raymond's, the price below 765. Okay, so last week we saw textile little performing, and then profit booking has been started now. 765, that's in support here. So once it break, then we can see further downside. Easily we can expect 750, 733 levels on Raymond's. Next is Airtel. You need to watch price above 721. You can see here there was a big spike here. Airtel reaching 745. So the same way we can expect once it break this 721 levels, we can keep a target for 733, 740 levels. Okay, that's about the Airtel. So let me check if I received any queries from anyone. So no queries. Thank you guys for watching our chart traders channel. So thanks Manju for joining the session with me. So see you on the next video,
Thank you.
guys. All these levels and the chart will be shared in our Telegram channel at chart traders channel at 369. You can watch, and thanks for your time, guys. See you on the next video. Cheers. Bye. Take care.
Bye.